Hello everyone. Again welcome to numerical series of utilization. And today our numerical problem is it is proposed to put an electric trolley service in a city. The scheduled speed is 245 km per hour. The distance between a stop is 28 km. The track is assumed to be level. Each track is of 30-second duration. Using simplified time curve, calculate the maximum speed, assuming the acceleration to be 2 km per hour per second and retardation to be 3.2 km per hour per second. The dead weight of the car is 36 tons. Rotational inertia is 10% of the dead weight, and tractive resistance is 40 Newton per ton. If the overall efficiency is 80%, calculate the maximum power output from the driving axle, the specific energy consumption in watt hour per tons kilometer. First of all, schedule speed 45 km. So schedule time of run TS equal to 3600 ES upon VS, so 2 to 4 second, and actual time of speed T equal to 2 to 4 minus 30 second. This 30 second is for a stop. Each stop is 30 second. So 194 second, and we know value of k equal to 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 beta. So value of alpha 2 and value of beta 3.2. So 0.40625, and we know Vm equal to 1 by 2k root under 1 by 2 k whole square minus 3600 S upon k. We have already defined the value of k, and we know the value of t and S. Then you can get Bm equal to 48 km per hour, and acceleration time T1 equal to Bm upon alpha. So Bm we have already defined 58 upon alpha is 29 second, and duration of braking T3 equal to Bn upon beta, that is 48.3.2 18.125 second, and time of stop T2 equal to T minus T3 plus T1. We have already the value of T3 and T1 there and T. So 194 minus 20 plus 18.125, that is 146.875 second. And tractive effort duration acceleration ft equal to 277.8 we alpha plus wr. So put all this value, we can get 104 18.56 Newton, and maximum power input equal to ft bm upon 3600 kilowatt, that is 104 into 58 upon 3600, that is 167.5855 kilowatt. And this trans travel during braking period 1 by 2 bm into t3 upon 3600. The value of bm is 58 and t3 is 18.125. Then simplify, we can get 0.146 kilometer. And this trans travel with power on S1 equal to 2.8 minus 0.146, so 2.654 kilometer. And a specific energy output, this is the formula for a specific energy output. And put all these value of Bm, We, W, S, R, S, S1 and S, then we can get 24.7. And we know a specific energy equal to a specific energy output upon efficiency, and we have a specific energy output 24.7, and efficiency is 80%, so 0.8, then you can get 30.9.